Welcome to Concrete Technology. We are going to start our new subject, Concrete Technology, Semester 5. Syllabus for the Concrete Technology is divided into 8 different topics. The first topic is General, in which history, development, composition of concrete, advantage of concrete over the material, advantage and future trend in concrete, overview of sustainability and concrete development. The second the second module is ingredient of concrete. Ingredient of concrete is divided in sub topics like cement, chemical composition, hydration of cement, structure of hydrated cement, taste of cement, various tastes of cement. The next is aggregates. In aggregate, there are classification of aggregate, IS specification. IS means IS Indian Standard Specification. Property of aggregates, grading, type of grading, sampling, and taste of aggregates. Then the another ingredient of concrete is water. General requirement of water and limiting value of impurities. Next, admixture. Additive and admixture types, admixture applications, mineral admixture, fly ash, silica fume, GGBS, and other pozzolanic materials. Fly ash and chemical admixture, accelerator, retarder, water reducing admixture, plasticizer, superplasticizer, and dosage and its applications with different types of concrete to give concrete some specifications. Then after module 3 is about fresh concrete. Fresh concrete means sudden mixed, uh, it is the combination of some ingredients which are already here. We are look in chapter 2. Fresh concrete. In fresh concrete, property of fresh concrete, definition and measurement method of workability as per Indian standard and ASTM method. Factor affecting workability, segregation and bleeding, slump loss, retempting, site, site preparation for concreting, mixing, conveying, placing, compaction by finishing of concrete, curing and various method of curing. And next chapter is chapter 4 is hardened concrete. This is the state after fresh concrete. In this state of hardened concrete, in which tensile, compressive strength, flexure strength, and bond strength. Next, standard test method as per IS and ASTM, failure mechanism under compressive and tension stress strain behavior of concrete, overview of modulus of elasticity, dimensional stability, creep and shrinkage. Next module is about durability and permeability of concrete, in which causes of deterioration in concrete and durability problems, factor affecting durability, transport mechanism of gases and fluids in concrete, cracking and causes of cracking, carbonation induced and corrosion induced cracking, alkali aggregate reaction, degradation by freezing and thawing effect, sulfate attack, durability under seawater or marine environment. In such case, construction are near marine environment, we are considered as a seawater or marine environment condition. Next and very most important topic about concrete technology is mixed design of concrete. There are many methods available in market for concrete mixed design, but the main and important method is Indian standard method, which are generally used in India. In mixed design of concrete chapter, we are going to learn principle of concrete mixed design, parameter and factors influencing mixed design, Indian standard, method of mixed design, acceptability criteria, variability of results, various provision of IS code for sound concrete. IS code is necessary to make a particular concrete for particular site. Like a simple house site, we prefer we prefer M25 or M20 grade of concrete. In case of M60 or M80 concrete, and same in high-rise building above 12 to 15 floors, we are not referring him or her M50 or M20 grade of concrete. Okay, now the next lecture is special concrete and concreting method. In this in this chapter, we are covering about some special types of concrete which are used at special sites. Look at that special concrete is like high strength concrete, high performance concrete, fiber reinforced concrete, polymer modified concrete, self compacting concrete, lightweight and heavyweight concrete, high volume fly ash concrete. Special concrete methods like pumped concrete, ready mix concrete, underwater concreting, hot and cold weather concreting, precast concrete, and pre-placed concrete. Also, we have some other specifics concrete by practical trial and error method. So we can make our own concrete by using particular Indian standard and criteria of Indian standard. Okay. Now the last and final module is miscellaneous topics. In this topics, a minor topics about concrete technology are covered in this chapter, like non-destructive test of concrete, introduction of destructive, semi-destructive, and non-destructive testing methodology, problem problem faced during non-destructive evolution test method like rebound hammer test, ultrasonic pulse velocity, penetration test, pull-out test. Other overview factor mechanics are origin of fracture mechanics, understanding the quasi-brittle nature of concrete, failure of concrete under low stress, micro-cracking, crack progression, stress concentration at opening. These all are our basic chapter information about concrete technology. And here are some chapter wise percentage of modules. First module is about 10%, second module is about 20%, third module for fresh concrete is about 20%, hardened concrete is about 20%, durability and permeability of concrete is about 10%, mixed design is also about 10%, special concrete and concrete method is about 5%, and also the miscellaneous topic is about 5%. Now we are going to see which kind of books are available in market for concrete technology. In book segment, we are see 6 different books which are available in market. First one is Property of Concrete by A.M. Neville. Second, Concrete Technology by D.F. Orchard. Third, Concrete Technology P. Kumar Mehta. Fourth, Concrete Technology Method A.R. Santhakumar, which is a IIT faculty. And next book is about concrete technologies MS Sethi. I must refer the book MS Sethi for concrete technology for this video lectures. And the last book of concrete technology is ML Gambhir. I prefer MS Setti, and we are going to start with MS Setti for concrete technology. This is the first chapter of concrete technology, which is introduction chapter of all about the concrete technology. We cover some topics like I market, first general, second early history of modern cement, manufacturing of Portland cement, wet process of cement, dry process of cement, chemical composition, hydration of cement, heat of hydration, calcium silicate hydration, calcium hydroxide, calcium aluminate hydroxide, structure of hydrated cement, transit zone of cement, water requirement of hydration. So we are going to start this chapter in very next lecture. So kindly download the book and stay safe.